Welcome to Kassi's Little Library, where we read and dream together. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Let's jump in. Just beyond the tree. The last day of school had finally come. Little Bear ran home, her pink bow bouncing. Summer is here, she cheered. I can do whatever I want. The next morning, the sun shined bright and warm. Birds sang, flowers danced, and everything felt full of adventure. Little Bear smiled wide. This is going to be the best summer ever. Mama Bear gently stopped her. Stay where I can see you, she said, and don't go past the big oak tree. And always tell me the truth, Mama Bear added softly, even if you think you might get in trouble. Little Bear nodded. I promise. As she skipped outside, she whispered, listening keeps me safe, telling the truth makes me strong. Little Bear played happily, chasing butterflies, picking flowers, and spinning in the sun. Everything felt safe and perfect. Then she heard excited voices. Come see, her friends shouted from beyond the oak tree. There's a secret summer spot. Little Bear's eyes widened. A secret spot? She looked at the oak tree, then toward the path. Her heart tugged two ways. I shouldn't go, she thought, but what if I miss out? She took one small step, then another. Then she went. The secret spot was amazing. Tall grass, shiny rocks, and a little stream that sparkled in the sun. Little Bear laughed and splashed with her friends. But soon the clouds shifted. The shadows grew longer. Little Bear looked around. The path didn't look the same anymore. Her smile faded. I don't know which way is home, she whispered. Her chest felt tight. The fun was gone. I should have listened. After a long, quiet walk, Little Bear finally found her way back. Mama Bear was waiting. Did you stay where I could see you? She asked gently. Little Bear's filled with tears. Then she remembered, listening keeps me safe, telling the truth makes me strong. I didn't listen, she said, and I got lost. Mama Bear hugged her close. I'm so glad you're safe, she said, and I'm proud of you for telling the truth. She smiled gently. When you show me I can trust you, I can give you more freedom. Little Bear's eyes lit up. Now she knew. Listening keeps me safe, telling the truth makes me strong. The Lord delights in those who are trustworthy. Proverbs 12:22. Children, obey your parents in the Lord. Ephesians 6:1. Thank you for reading with me today at Kassi's Little Library. If you like that story, you can purchase it on Amazon with the link in the description. See you next time.